Hey, what's up guys? So here on hand, we've got a lot of different DragonEye guns. We've got some of the earlier models, we've got some of the later models, and we've got, well, a variety of different versions. And so in this video, let's run through kind of like a history of some of the different DragonEye guns. So starting off, let's actually begin here with the Kustom Laser 3. Now, very popular gun, actually one of the most popular guns in use in the country. Now, the thing is, it's actually really easy to jam, and the creator of this gun got kind of mad. And so for that reason, he wanted to create a version of this gun that was, well, much tougher to defeat and actually had some anti-jamming technology. And that is actually where the Laser Ally came into play. Now, when this gun was released, it actually had some more difficult anti-jamming technology that started to defeat a lot of the current laser jammers at the time. So if you guys remember the laser interceptors, the blinder HP 905s, etc., those were some of the first jammers that actually started to try to counter the Laser Ally. Eventually, these started getting a little bit tougher and they were able to defeat the current technology at the time. That's when the ALP was finally released and it had some newer technology that was able to defeat the Laser Ally. And so we started having this kind of like cat and mouse game going on. Now after this, the pulse patterns started to become more complex, so like even trickier, even tougher to jam, and that's where like some of the DragonEye SpeedLidar guns started coming into play. So as you notice, if you take a look at the two guns, physically they're going to look very similar, right? Same design, same idea, same form factor and all, but really it's going to be just kind of the anti-jamming technology that's built into the DragonEye stuff. So this is the full-size DragonEye SpeedLidar. So we've got a number of them here. Some of them are over there in use right now as we're doing our testing. There's also another version of this gun that's called the DragonEye Compact. And as the name implies, it's a more compact version. If you take a look at it, it's definitely smaller here than the DragonEye SpeedLidar. Now, you can see the lenses are a little bit different, so yes, optically it's different, but they both have anti-jamming technology. This one, I mean, it's a little bit different. You're just kind of shooting it like this. It's a lighter weight gun. It's got AA batteries instead of C cells in it, but just it's a little different for the officers to shoot. The full-size SpeedLidar, it just looks more like a traditional laser gun like that, so different form factors here. So basically we've just got a variety of different guns here on hand because of the fact that there are different versions with different firmwares. They have different jamming or anti-jamming capabilities, and so because of that, like laser jammers have to respond differently to different versions of the gun, which is why we have so many different versions here of the different DragonEye guns. And so with that said, let's quick look here at the different DragonEyes.